Hi everyone, it's Nancy Alden, and welcome to the Cuyahoga County Animal Shelter, located right off Canal Road in Valley View. Here are some of the beautiful dogs they have, just waiting for loving homes. Kara Archer is going to tell us about one in particular that I think will make a good family pet.
Nose are breaking and all the dogs are coming out. This little peanut is Harvey. He is a 6-month-old lab mix. He will be a very, very tiny dog. We do think he'll be okay with older children only because he's very active and he's still going through that puppy stage. Now, one thing about Harvey is he came in and he's already neutered, too young to be heartworm tested. We do that at about 9 months. He's only 6. But he's received his first set of vaccinations of Bordetella and ready to go home. So if you potentially like the lab breed but are looking for a smaller peanut, maybe one you could carry, oh, I know. Why don't you come in and stop down and see this little bundle of joy named Harvey in Kennel 19. Right, kiddo?
Hey everybody, meet Janice. Tell us more about Janice, Kara.
Well, this wonderful, mature lady is...
First of all, I love it when people name their dog human names.
We only keep one Janice in Kennel 28, and it's this one right here.
She's a lover girl.
Yes, she is. Now, she's about a 2.5 to 3-year-old female Rottweiler. She is heartworm negative, and she already was spayed when she came in.
Bonus.
I know, so she's ready to walk out upon adoption. One of the things that is very special about her is the comments from her about all of the from the volunteers. Now, I'm hearing she walks wonderfully on a leash. She sits, knows several commands, and will do anything for a little treat, right? Oh, or a pet. Look at that. Say, huh?
So she knows some of her basic skills already. But what if you get a puppy? What's the best training method that you use?
Positive reinforcement.
Which means?
We never hit, yell, scream, threaten any of these dogs. What you can start out with is food, high motivator. Then you could start working with treats or toys. Now, some dogs, depending on personality, they'll do it for food, and then others will do it for love. For example, Janice here. A good pet goes a long way. So be consistent, work at it. Sit, stay, and down are the 3 basics that every dog should know. Like this one here, right?
And watch Caesar Milan as often as possible. Although some of his stuff doesn't work on my dog. My dog looks at me like,
see, huh? We're all about love and pack here, so.
Come get Janice, 2.5 years old. She's already spayed. She is a lover girl, as you can tell on the video.
See, huh?
Yes.
Here's a girl.
He was one sexy pooch.